Play this daily, and you'll start remembering these concepts without studying. Your brain learns through repetition and rhythm. So when you hear something enough times, it sticks automatically. That's what sound mind learning is designed to do. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Just listen.
The service value chain is a core component of ITIL 4. It explains how organizations transform demand and opportunities into value through a series of interconnected activities to succeed on the I.T.I.L foundation exam. You must understand the purpose of each activity and recognize how it contributes to value creation. The service value chain consists of 6 activities: plan, improve, engage, design, and transition. Obtain, build, and deliver and support. While each activity has a specific purpose, they work together to help organizations deliver value to customers and stakeholders. Activity ensures a shared understanding of the organization's vision, current state, and future direction. It aligns priorities, funding, and strategy so everyone understands where the organization is today and where it wants to go. Examples include strategic planning, service roadmaps, and portfolio planning. When you see references to vision, strategy, direction, or planning, think of plan. A simple memory hook is activity focuses on continual improvement across products, services, and practices. Its purpose is to identify opportunities, implement enhancements, and measure results. Examples include post-incident reviews, performance evaluations, and process improvements. Keywords such as feedback, lessons learned, metrics, and continual improvement point to improve, think, improve, make things better. Activity focuses on understanding stakeholder needs and maintaining communication. This is the relationship management activity of the service value chain. Organizations use Engage to gather requirements, manage expectations, handle requests, and build trust. Examples include service desk interactions, customer feedback sessions, and stakeholder meetings. When exam questions mention communication, relationships, or customer expectations, the answer is oft engage, think, engage, talk, and listen. Activity ensures that products and services meet expectations for quality, cost, and time to market. This activity designs services, tests them, and transitions them into live environments. Examples include system design, testing, release, planning, and change enablement. Keywords such as design, testing, release, deployment, and change point to Design and transition. Think design and transition. Build it right before it goes live. Exam preparation. Remember these one-line summaries. Decide direction. Improve, make things better. Engage, understand, and communicate. Design and transition, design and safely release. Few core components. Deliver and support. Operate and support services. You can also recognize these activities through common scenarios. Creating a service improvement roadmap relates to plan. Running a post-incident review aligns with improv. Reviewing service levels with customers involved. Engage, testing a service before release belongs to design and transition. Building a new application falls under obtain. Build supporting users after go live is part of deliver and support. A helpful mnemonic for remembering all 6 activities is: please improve every design outcome delivered. The first letters represent plan. Improve, engage, design and transition. Obtain, build, and deliver and support. Understanding these 6 activities is essential because they form the foundation of how ITIL for organizations